Earth, our home planet, is a tiny blue dot floating in the vast ocean of space. Everyone you've ever known lives here. Every living person who owns a story has ever been told. Our journey begins. But at the same time, as we move beyond the confines of our atmosphere, past the moon, beyond the boundaries of known planets and stars, we embark on an epic journey to understand the true extent of our universe. When we leave the embrace of the Earth, the first landmark on our space journey is the Moon, located approximately 384,000 kilometers from us. The distance is so great that if you drove a car at a constant speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you more than 160 days to reach it. From this lunar vantage point, Earth appears as a fragile sphere of blue and green, surrounded by the black void of space, a sight that makes our existence seem humiliating. This is the Earth as seen from the Moon. Continuing our journey, the next milestone is the Sun, located approximately 1 astronomical unit from the Earth. This unit, equivalent to approximately 150 million kilometers, is the standard measure of distance in our solar system. Imagine that light, traveling at an astonishing speed of 300,000 kilometers, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the Sun to Earth. If you covered this distance in a commercial jet flying at 900 km/h, it would take you about 19 years. This vast distance is a stark reminder of the vastness of space, even within our solar system. The Sun, the fiery giant, provides our planet with the energy necessary to support life, even from such an incredible distance. Having gone beyond the boundaries of our home planet and its satellite, the Sun, we turned our gaze to Mars, our mysterious red neighbor. The distance from Mars to Earth at its closest approach is about 54.6 million kilometers. However, this distance can reach 401 million kilometers when the two planets are on opposite sides of the Sun. To put this into perspective, traveling to Mars at the speed of a commercial jet would take more than 50 years. This vast space between Earth and Mars presented a major challenge to space exploration. The rovers and probes we have sent to the Red Planet are embarking on a journey that is not only far, but also challenging due to constantly changing distances and orbital dynamics. As we travel to the farthest reaches of our solar system, we will encounter Neptune, a distant ice giant located approximately 4.5 billion kilometers from Earth. Neptune marks the boundary of our solar system. It takes about 4 hours and 15 minutes for sunlight to travel through the vacuum of space to reach Neptune from the Sun. This staggering distance demonstrates the enormity of our solar system. Launched in 1977, the Voyager 1 space probe embodies humanity's insatiable curiosity and our desire to explore new horizons. Voyager 1 has now been traveling for more than 4 decades, covering a staggering distance of more than 22 billion kilometers from Earth. This is the most distant object created by man from our planet, a silent wanderer in the sea of space. In 1990, at the suggestion of renowned astronomer Carl Sagan, Voyager 1 returned its camera to Earth to take one last photo. The result is the iconic image of a pale blue dot. Located at a distance of about 6 billion kilometers from Earth, our planet seemed like a tiny point in the vastness of space. Sagan poetically interpreted this image, emphasizing our responsibility for the care and preservation of our only home, a small point in the vast universe. At the very outskirts of our solar system lies the Oort cloud, a vast theoretical sphere of icy objects. This distant cloud is thought to be a staggering 100,000 AU, or about 1.9 light-years, away from the Sun, a distance so vast that it lies on the edge of interstellar space. Scientists identify the boundary of interstellar space, known as the heliopause, where the interstellar medium stops the solar wind. This is where the influence of our Sun ends and the vast region of interstellar space begins. The Oort cloud represents the last boundary of our solar system, the border zone where the influence of the Sun weakens and real space travel into the galaxy begins. As we move beyond our solar system, our next point of interest is Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our Sun, located about 41.3 trillion kilometers away. This distance is equivalent to more than 276,000 astronomical units. At such colossal distances, the astronomical unit of measurement, so convenient in our solar system, begins to lose its practicality. Therefore, astronomers use the light year, the distance light travels in 1 year, for interstellar measurements. Alpha Centauri is located about 4.4 light-years away. Given current space travel technology, travel to Alpha Centauri is virtually impossible. For example, the Voyager spacecraft, traveling at about 17 kilometers, would take more than 70,000 years to reach this nearby star system. This vast distance highlights the vastness of space separating the stars and highlights the difficulties of interstellar travel. Now our journey will take us to the grandiose scale of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. This enormous spiral galaxy, some 100,000 light-years in diameter, is home to hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially containing their own planetary systems. Inside this huge structure is a tiny sphere known as the human radio bubble, extending about 100 light-years from Earth. This bubble represents the widest area of human influence in space, covered by our radio and television broadcasts into space. Outside of this bubble, it was as if humanity had never existed. Any civilizations inhabiting most of our galaxy would not notice our presence, given that our signals have not yet reached them. The scale of the Milky Way is so enormous that our entire recorded history is just a whisper of cosmic wind that cannot be detected outside this small bubble. Leaving the Milky Way, we enter a vast, almost incomprehensible region of intergalactic space. Here, galaxies float in the ocean of space, separated by mind-boggling distances. Our galaxy, home of all our history, is just a tiny speck among many others, a single story in the great cosmic library. As we expand our cosmic gaze beyond the local group, we encounter the colossal Virgo supercluster, a vast collection of groups of galaxies and clusters, including our own local group. Spanning a region of space about 110 million light-years, or 33 megaparsecs, in diameter, the Virgo supercluster is a titanic structure in the universe, containing thousands of galaxies from at least 100 galaxy groups and clusters, each with its own myriad of stars and planets. As we move away from the Virgo supercluster, we approach an even more stunning cosmic structure, the Laniakea supercluster. This vast cluster of galaxies, which includes the Virgo supercluster and spans 500 million light-years, is our galactic home on a grand scale. Laniakea, which means immense sky in Hawaiian, truly lives up to its name and contains the mass of 100 million billion suns. As we ponder the vastness of the cosmos and our place in it, we are faced with questions that push the boundaries of our understanding. What other wonders are hidden in the uncharted territories of space? Are there other life forms, civilizations, or phenomena waiting for us to discover? These questions fuel our curiosity and stimulate our relentless exploration of the unknown. However, as we delve deeper into space, we are also reminded of the fragility of our existence. The cosmic forces at work are both awe-inspiring and inexorable. From supernovae that can destroy entire star systems to black holes that devour everything in their path, the universe is a place of extremes where the laws of physics reign supreme. Despite these challenges, humanity continues to push the boundaries of exploration, driven by an innate curiosity and desire to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. We build telescopes that peer deeper into space, spacecraft that fly further than ever before, and observatories that pick up the faintest signals from the far reaches of the universe. With each new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos and our connection to the vast fabric of existence. We are but fleeting observers in a universe that has existed for billions of years and will continue to evolve long after we are gone. However, even as we marvel at the majesty of the cosmos, we must also remember the preciousness of our own planet. The Earth, with its fragile ecosystems and diverse life forms, is a rare oasis in the vast expanses of space. We have a responsibility to cherish and protect this fragile world because it is the only home we have ever known. After all, our journey through space is not just a quest for knowledge, but a journey of self-discovery. As we explore the wonders of the universe, we also come to understand ourselves and our place in the greater scheme of things. And while the challenges may be enormous, the rewards of exploration are immeasurable as it expands not only our horizons, but also our minds and our souls.